In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Hubspot signature to Gmail. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in and get your digital communications looking professional and cohesive with a customized signature. To start, open your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. Once there, locate the login option typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to bring up the login screen. If you've already set up your Hubspot account, you're halfway there. Now you'll see an option to sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. This is going to streamline the process and ensure that your HubSpot and Gmail accounts are seamlessly connected. When prompted, choose the Google account that you use for Gmail to continue. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot dashboard. From here, you need to head over to the settings. To make this easy, look for a gear or a similar icon, which is typically used to represent settings in most software dashboards. If you need a bit more help finding it, you can directly input the URL or use a bookmark if you have one set up. Once you're in the settings section, focus on the general settings. Clicking on General will give you access to a multitude of customizable options. We need to take a quick detour to the Email tab up at the top. This is your next destination. In the email settings, you'll see a variety of options to manage your email preferences. Look for a link or a button that says Manage Email Signatures. This section is crucial. Click on it because this is where all the magic happens. Here, you have the ability to manage existing signatures or create a new one that aligns with your brand or personal style. Now it's time to type in your signature. First, give your signature a name. This helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes. Once you've named your signature, start designing it. Think of what you want to include: your name, title, contact information, maybe even a logo or a call to action. It's entirely up to you. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button. It's crucial to ensure all your hard work is securely stored and ready for use. Without saving, all changes will be lost once you navigate away from the page. And we're done. Now, whenever you send an email from your Gmail account, your HubSpot signature will be proudly displayed, giving your emails that professional touch. Thanks for following along, and now you're ready to impress your contacts with every email you send.